Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a carousel post on Instagram. This is perfect for sharing multiple photos, tips, or before and afters. Let's get into it. First, all you need to do is to open the Instagram app and tap the plus button to create a new post. Then here tap the post and then it will tap that stack icon or hold down on the first image to enable the multiple selection. Then here select up to 10 photos or videos in the order you want to appear. Then here tap next, and here you can edit each slide individually. You can apply filters, crop, adjustments, and more. Then tap next again. Here you can write a caption, tag people, and add location if you want. And finally hit share, and your carousel is live. Viewers can now swipe through your content. And that's how easy it is to make a carousel post on Instagram. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.